How to add to cart in StockX. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add to cart in StockX. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the StockX website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm on my dashboard and I'm just going to choose a product that I want to add to cart. So I'm just going to pick this, and if I click this one, it will redirect me to this. And as you can see, there is no actually add to cart button that you can choose. You can only buy it directly, but I'm going to use this one since it's just like a add to cart button. So just click this plus button right here on the top, and it says portfolio. So I can add this product to my portfolio, and it actually stores this type of product to my portfolio, and I can rightly go back to it if I want to buy it or not. And it's just like I added it in my cart, you know what I mean? And if I go to my portfolio in my profile, I can always go back to it and yeah, click on it and buy it if I want. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add to cart on StockX. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.